Yep, that's me trying to dance. This part is so embarrassing. Just keep watching the video.
I seen that turn to a Louis. How you did that? That look like a brand new booty. How you did that? You got face stones and over watch it. How you did that? You hear some splits. Last. Now everybody go to breakfast.
What's up, y'all? I look a little crazy right now. Okay, so I didn't tell y'all what I'm doing today and whatnot. So today we're going on a trip. I'm in Atlanta right now, about to get on a plane to go to Jamaica, y'all. Say hey to the camera. Hey y'all. We're gonna be in Jamaica in a couple hours. And my birthday tomorrow. Period. No,
and we live. So we just got there and came over here to the currency exchange. We finna get us some good money so we can go spend it and trick off. Not trick off, but y'all know what I mean.
Hey y'all, I'm so excited.
CC, that's Poppin' C. What's your YouTube?
It's Poppin' C.
Poppin' C. Maybe this will go on YouTube. What's your name? Who?
Rashawn.
What's your YouTube? Shit, I don't know. That's the YouTube. Look me up. Shit, I don't know. And we out. Peace.
Can't forget, you didn't even say your YouTube. What's your YouTube?
I done forgot my YouTube, but y'all just follow me on Instagram. You know, your boy, 1985. Peace.
If I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young last.
We're about to get on a plane, y'all. Oh, child, it's hot here. Y'all can't really see much, but y'all see the plane.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying like me, yeah. One that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you.
Y'all, we touched down in Jamaica. Y'all, we getting our stuff put on the little bin so we can go to our resort, our hotel thing and whatnot. Y'all, we on the base, going to the resort. Don't look at my edge. I know y'all been looking at my edge the whole video. That's okay. Where you going? I'm gonna fix it once we get there. Yeah, we're gonna go to our room. This is so exciting. It's the buffet, y'all. I'm finna tear the buffet down like. Y'all, we about to go and eat at the little buffet that I just showed y'all. Ooh, wait. It smells so good up in here.
is one by one, you go make your way to the middle of the stage right here. Then you're going to do a Mikey pose, the favorite Mikey pose. I don't know how we do it here, something like that.
The little cocks. The little cock. The little cock. In Jamaica, don't play with me. Oh my god, it's so exciting. Good morning, y'all. Today is day 2 and we're about to head out to the pool. About to grab something to eat. But let me show y'all our little view that we got out here. Ooh, this kind of hurts. This is our view. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to breakfast because I'm ready to chat in. I think it's like another buffet thing, like I showed y'all last night with dinner. So I'm gonna catch y'all at breakfast. Y'all, these the vibes. Y'all, he is fun right there. Anyways. What is this? Y'all, I wish I could swim. I can't swim.
So it's supposed to be raining now. I'm looking at that forecast.
What is that? Y'all, the sun is beaming, y'all. But the water feels so nice. I wish I knew how to swim. I don't know how to swim, y'all, but not too much. I'm gonna learn this summer for real, for real. The birthday woman.
It's my birthday.
Uh-huh. Yep. Check out her So we just got out the pool and stuff. We're heading to our next activity. I think we're gonna go to the little shop. I don't know for real. I said it's still early, it's only 12.
We got a whole lot of day left.
A whole lot.
Till at least midnight. That's at least midnight.
At least.
We got a whole other 12 hours.
I just had like a team party side.
You need to go to a team party for when you 18, you grown.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I thought like all the kids come out. Like all the teens come out. Yeah. Find me a little thing.
They no thing.
I was just playing.
Right over about the BJ.
How long are you going to spend with us?
Oh, those are cute. Yo, I had got me something. I got me a shirt and I got me a wristband, y'all. And it tear it up. I'm gonna tear it up. I'm gonna show y'all what I had got from the little shop. I didn't get a lot. I only got 3 things. First thing I got was this bracelet right here and this other bracelet that said Jamaica on it. I got this shirt. It just said Jamaica on it with the colors. I'm trying to take some pictures with this shirt. So yeah, that's all I got. And it was $35.
Come on, get us a plate. You ain't gonna eat it all, no. You gonna eat it all?
5 minutes later.
Don't try and leave. We have 6 ladies so far. Pull up, everybody clap and kid everybody. You got so much energy. Alright. Yeah. What is that? Don't be shy. Don't be scared.
Okay, everybody was eating. Everybody was eating until it came to me. Number one, what do I have on? Like, the fit is crazy. It's the orange shoes, the gray shorts, it's the bucket hat. I look a mess, but yeah, I was so nervous. I was so scared because I don't know how to dance. So I was like, no, don't make me do this. Yep, that's all you guys are going to see because the rest looks a hot mess and I don't want y'all to get secondhand embarrassment. So, yeah. got some pictures, y'all. Follow me on the ground to go see them. Back at the hotel, and as y'all can see, I changed my clothes because I just took a shower and I think we're about to go to eat and do something else. One of the little party thingies. This is what the outfit looks like. Look at the cute couple, y'all. Oh, they're so cute. Come on, my queen.
I ain't the queen, but you know I'll get in there.
Never hating, no. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You guys.
Let's go to the sport park. Come on.
Now so much we make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you?
It's all in the sky, ruin my vibe.